Hi AP students. So here is the process that will happen when you submit your portfolio. I want you to be prepared. I want you to make a commitment to put more time into creating artwork. If you haven't already, create a studio space at your home. It could be in a small corner in your room, a desk, a basement corner with a space heater, something in your garage. Share a space so that you can work and where you feel creative. You are going to have to work harder and longer and do more to make time for this work. No buts. Here's what the process looks like. In April, you are going to pick 5 of your best artworks, label them, put them in a portfolio, like you see here. This is what the portfolio looks like, and then mail them out to a giant warehouse. There will be 70,000 portfolios from students like you from all over the country, feeling like you are right now. The portfolios get sorted into 2D design, 3D design, and drawing. We learned about those portfolio types a week ago. Then there are the judges. The judges spend weeks being trained and encouraged to do this job for several years. They are selected by their race, background, where they live, where they work, also if they have taught AP. Every year, everyone is taught what to look for and how to grade. They set them up in rows. The portfolios are laid out on tables. Helpers take out the artwork and set it on the tables. Note the tables in the center row. Those are the judges watching the judges, making sure that they are not biased or misgrading. There'll be 7 different judges that will read and grade your artwork. The judges will be helped by using a laptop. They're looking to see if you copied or plagiarized any of this work. Copying a picture from the internet is an automatic 0. The ethics and integrity here is a huge part of your portfolio. So how much can you borrow from another image before it's sealing? Any work that makes use of appropriation or photographs or published images and or the work of other artists must show substantial and significant development beyond the duplication. This is demonstrated through manipulation of formal qualities of design or concept of the source. The student's individual voice should be clearly evident. It is unethical, constitutes plagiarism, and often violates copyright laws to copy another artist's work or imagery, even in another medium. So if you copy it in pencil and it was originally a painting, this still counts. I'm going to attach this link so you can see this video separate from this presentation. So online submissions. You're making 15 pieces throughout the year, or images and or documented sketches can be submitted. The work will be viewed on a computer screen altogether, separate from the 5 pieces you submit that will be mailed in. And this will be graded by 7 judges. The total from all of the judges will create an overall score that will be the score that you receive. So think about the bigger picture. In 2019, there were 65,893 portfolios submitted. 37,000 of them were 2D design, 21,000 of them were drawing, and 6,000 of them were 3D design. There's time. Don't worry. We will help you down this path, and you will have a series of work that you and I will be proud of. Just start making something every day. Think about your artwork every moment of the day. Think about your art while you're brushing your teeth, sitting on the bus, talking with your friends, looking online, playing games, walking, taking taking out the garbage, putting on your pajamas, and while you lay in bed, about to fall asleep. Make a plan, use your sketchbook every day, and be ready at any moment to jot down an idea. I believe in you, and I know you can do this. So, what stood out to you from all this information? How do you feel? This is your assignment today. Post on the discussion board below.